What's up guys, you've watched me launch meme coin after meme coin and stack over $1.6 million using one specific strategy, but I still get the DMs, yo, that's too good to be true, or you're just getting lucky. And honestly, I get it, it sounds wild, so today I'm proving it's not luck. We are taking the ultimate challenge, turning 1 Sol into 100 Sol, using my exact launch strategy, step by step. Let's get it. The rules are simple, I'm starting with literally 1 Solana, that's it. The goal, flip that single coin into 100 Sol. We are not trading and we aren't guessing charts. We are launching tokens using my exact playbook. 1 Sol might look like nothing, but that's the point. I'm showing you how to take small capital and absolutely blow it up.
Before we start, make sure you watch till the end. I'll be dropping 1 SOL anywhere in the video.
The core of my strategy, as you know, is all about picking the right platform, finding concepts that actually sell, building the coin, setting up liquidity, and then getting eyes on my coin. And for this challenge, I'm going to go over every single step so you can see the whole process. So first things first, platform choice. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Most people totally mess this up. They go for super simple platforms where you don't actually own your liquidity. And honestly, your coin just gets lost in the noise. For this challenge, we're sticking with Radium. Yeah, it's a bit more technical, but the upside is you actually control your liquidity, which means way more profit potential. Plus, there's way less competition because, let's be real, most people are too lazy to figure out how to use Radium. I've seen the terrible results from these other platforms, so for this challenge, I'm going to be using Radium. Okay, so finding a concept that actually sells is absolutely critical. If you pick something lame, you're just wasting your time. For this 1 Sol to 100 Sol challenge, I'm leaning heavily on my one-click copy method. Why? Because it's proven. We're not gambling on untested ideas here. I'm going to go to Solana tokenfast.io, find a coin that's doing well but hasn't completely exploded yet. Think 50, 100, maybe $200,000 market cap. Then it's literally just a matter of clicking one button to clone the coin. This is how I get a proven concept to work with. The key is to find something with good engagement, but not like a multi-million-dollar hype already. The sweet spot, around 200,000 with active trading. This method is super reliable, and reliability is what we need when we're trying to hit that 100 Sol mark. But for new viewers, I'll create the token manually to explain how token creation works. Now let's go to Solana tokenfast.io, connect your wallet. You'll get a pop-up asking for authorization. Just click confirm and you're in. Next, we move to filling in the token details. I'm naming this Down Jones and shortening it to Jones to keep it catchy. Download the logo of the meme you're going to use for your meme coin. I've already downloaded mine and resized it in Canva. The required size is 500 by 500. Hit next and keep going. When you reach the token settings page, don't touch anything. It's already perfectly configured. You want that full 1 billion token supply. We'll need it later. For the description, you can write whatever you want. Just click continue and move forward. Now you'll see the option to add social media links. You can skip this part. I always do. It's never been a problem with Radium launches. Just turn off that toggle and skip it. The next thing asks if you want to add creator info and a project website, but it costs 0.1 Solana. Honestly, it's not worth it. Just toggle it off and keep your Sol, skip it and move on. Now comes one of the coolest features, custom token addresses. Solana tokenfast.io lets you add endings like pump or moon to your token's address. It makes it look like it launched through Pump.Fun, which helps build trust, attract buyers, and boost early hype. However, if you put moon or pump as a suffix having 4 letters, it will take around 20 minutes to update on the site. So if you want to avoid a long wait while creating your coin, just add PM or MO, like 2 letters in small caps. After that, you'll see 3 toggle switches. This part is super important. Make sure every single one stays turned on. If you turn off revoke freeze, it means you can freeze trading anytime, which is a big red flag. If you turn off revoke mint, it means you can mint unlimited tokens, another huge red flag. If you turn off revoke update, it means you can change the contract whenever you want, massive red flag. Serious investors notice these things right away. If they see anything disabled, they'll run. So leave all the toggles on and click Create Token. Your wallet will pop up asking for final approval. Confirm it with one click and boom, your token is officially live on Solana. Next up, setting up our liquidity pool. We're starting with just one SOL for this channel, so we're gonna have to be very strategic here. Click Create Liquidity, which you see at the top of the website, and you'll be redirected to Radium. Make sure your wallet is connected, then click Create, select Standard AMM from the pool options, click the token selector, go back to solanatokenlabs.io and copy your token address. Paste that address into Radium search box, add your token details. For this demo, I'm using Jones as the symbol and Down Jones as the name. Click Add User Token, then select it again. We'll supply 900 million tokens out of 1 billion total and pair it with Solana. Since you're the first liquidity provider, you can max out safely. Just subtract the 0.3 SOL fee first, set the fee tier to 0.25%, review everything and click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Once confirmed, your pool is live and the coin is tradable. But we need people to actually buy our coin, all right? So how are we going to get people to actually buy our token and help us hit that 100 SOL target? Manual social media promotion, forget about it for this challenge. It's free, sure, but it takes forever and the results are just meh. Dex screener ads are cool for instant credibility, but they cost $300 and we're on a tight 1 SOL budget here. So for this challenge, my go-to is automated social media promotion. I'm going to use promotememes.fun. Forget about wasting hours manually posting. Promotememes.fun gets you instant exposure on Dex Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, paste your token address, and choose your promotion. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for maximum reach. Now toggle include free website. This is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this Down Jones, select Radium and hit confirm. Click pay and promote, approve the transaction, and you are done. Now just watch. It's creating a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the exact same time. And boom, website ready. Let's check it out. In seconds, you have a live landing page with tokenomics and real-time chart links ready for investors. So I'll catch up with you here in a bit to check the numbers once the promotion is done.
Meanwhile, a few moments later,
$123,000 market cap from literally just 0.1 SOL initial liquidity. This is what happens when you combine a concept that's already proven to sell with the right promotion. People jump in because the idea has already shown it works, and the promotion gets it in front of tons of buyers, and the speed of it is wild. Within the first hour of promotion, I was already seeing some serious volume. By hour 2, the market cap basically doubled. And then in the final hour, that FOMO just kicks in and it absolutely explodes. This pattern holds true for pretty much every successful launch I've done. It's not luck, guys, it's a predictable pattern. Now, the moment you've been all waiting for. How do we profit and actually hit that 100 SOL target? Let's go back to Radium, ensure your wallet is properly connected, and press the portfolio button you'll find at the top. And there is your current position profit time. First, click the minus symbol, then push that slider to 100%. And as you guys can see, we are now up $13,916 in official profits. Ignore everything except the SOLs value. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna receive like 134 SOLs around there. Choose remove liquidity and approve. There it is, confirmation received and money in hand. That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make more money than anyone in 2026. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, you guys can see that we just received $14,000 around, which is like 134 SOLs. You guys can see here, even though the market is down, we still made money, bro. Before you go and start building, I want to give one of you a head start. I'm giving away 1 SOL to one person to help cover your first deployment costs. Here is how to enter. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video. Drop a comment below with the word rug pull. I'll be picking the winner in exactly 48 hours and announcing it on my Telegram, Twitter, Discord. So make sure you're following me there. Stop gambling, start launching, and I'll see you in the next one.